This exhibition hall you see now is the Siberia Hall. Here, artifacts related to the life and beliefs of the indigenous people of the Republic of Yakutia, located in Siberia, are collected and displayed. In particular, this exhibition hall is of great significance as it is the only exhibition hall in Korea that shows Siberia's folklore and living environment. Siberia is a region located in the northeast of the Asian continent. Because it is located in the Arctic Circle, the average temperature is very low, and it consists of a taiga forest, which is mostly a forest full of conifers, and a tundra zone, where only moss and small grasses grow. The indigenous people, who have long adapted to the harsh environment of Siberia, have developed their own culture by raising reindeer and hunting. So why do museums display artifacts of Siberian indigenous people? This is because many elements of Siberian culture have many similarities with Korea's folk culture. Folk cultural assets that are familiar to us, such as jangsung and sode, can also be seen in this Siberian hall. Many archaeologists believe that northern cultures, such as those in Siberia and Mongolia, may have had a significant influence on Korea's history. Gojoseon, Puyo, Goguryeo, Pare. These countries, which are important in our history, were also based in Manchuria, beyond the Korean peninsula. Goguryeo envoys are depicted on murals of old royal palaces far away in Central Asia, while if you go further back in time, the ondol used by Siberians was brought to Korea, and bronze tools from nomadic peoples have been excavated in Korea as well. These facts show that our ancestors may have interacted not only with China and Japan, but also with northern cultures such as Siberia in the past. In this Siberia Hall, we hope that you will be able to see the strong lives of people in the barren northern tundra region and the cultural affinity between Siberian folk culture and Korean folk culture.